everyone. My name is Yav Cohen. I'm the co-founder and CTO of ACC. The goal of this short tutorial will be to show you how to smooth data. We're going to write it with Python. We're going to use data frame. So let's begin. The first thing you need to do is going to our website and download the free samples. Just click on the download free samples. And I'm going to paste it in the project that I open. I'm going to upload this project to our GitHub. Okay, so a quick review about the project. The first thing we have is the cons, our three columns beside our features. The first one is the coin symbol. In our data, it's going to be BTC, the date UTC, which is the human readable time, and which is a string, and we have the created UTC, which is a P time. So the second thing I have here is the plot data. This function is used to prepare the plotting and this to plot the data. The first argument is the date, and the second is the feature data itself and the feature name. So let's begin. So we're going to start with the main, and I'm going to start smooth. Let's say I'm going to explain very shortly what's our window size. Okay, cool. The next thing we need to do is to read the data. I'm going to use, as I mentioned, the pandas data frame for that. The name. Please pay attention that the file is gzip compressed, so we need to tell pandas that this is a gzip file. Okay, cool. So I'm just going to print the data frame to show you that it's working. You can see the coin symbol. This is one of the features. Because our data has more than 2 years, and my computer won't handle 2 years of data, hourly data to plot, I'm going to just take the last month. So first thing first, I need to sort it. I'm going to sort it by the create UTC, and I'm going to place it. So after that, I'm going to take the last, let's say every row is an hour, so I'm going to take a day and the last 30 days. Okay, cool. After that, I don't want to, okay, let's talk about what's smoothing. Okay, we're going to use the rolling window, which is an algorithm that it's going, let's say if we have 1, 2, 3, 4, okay? And I'm going to use a window size of 2. So what the algorithm will do, it will take every point and will create, and instead of this point, it will calculate the mean or the average from the last 2 points. In this case, we don't have, but in this case, we have this point and this point. So 2 plus 1 is 3. Divide by 2, it's 1.5. So this one will be 1.5. This one will be 5 divided by 2, and this will be 7 divided by 2. So this is what the rolling window algorithm does, basically, and it will create a smoother line. So after we took the last 30 days, I want to plot. So first thing first, I want to set an index, which is all the 3 columns that I told you earlier. And the first the coin symbol, then we have the date, then I'm going to take the create GC. I don't need to smooth them because I just don't need, they're not my features. So I want to plot before to show you how the data looks. So I'm going to call plot data prep. So I'm going to take the index. This is I need to put here the dates. So index levels, it's level, the one because it's the middle one. After that, I'm going to show you two features that I already selected, 0, 9. So after I'm preparing the two plots, I'm going to plot the data. So cool, let's just run it. So here we have the two plots. You can see the data is really messy. It's not smooth at all. So, okay, so let's start the smoothing algorithm in the smooth function. Okay, it's going to get the data frame and it's going to get the window size. So basically, data frame has this rolling function, which is going to do it's return the object that will help us do the rolling. So after that, we need we're going to calculate the rolling mean, which is this thing. And finally, we have the new data frame, which is the rolling mean. But I'm going to take out the first window size. In this case, in our case, it's going to be 24. As I mentioned in the previous example, it can't calculate the first window size because it doesn't have. And I'm just going to return this. Okay, cool. So let's it's smooth DS. I'm going to give it data frame. I'm going to give it the window size, and I'm going to plot these two features again. Cool, window size, and okay, because just a second, I'm going to say this is the smooth, that you can see it. Okay, cool. So because here we remove the last first window size, I'm going to do it again with the index because otherwise it won't match. I mean, I'm going to have more index than the features. But I did do it here and there. Sorry. Yeah. Okay, cool. So just let's run it again. Okay, cool. So here we have the first two smooth features, and here we have the non-smooth features, where you can see it's a lot messier. So this is it for today for this tutorial. I just want to say, don't forget, data speaks. Thanks. Have a great day.